Hello everyone, welcome to the Lashes online channel. My name is Victoria. I will be glad if you click like and subscribe to my channel. Let's take a look at the eye and lashes before extensions. Originally the girl wanted a fox effect. But pay attention to the outer and inner corner. They are almost on the same axis. Ideally it would be to soften the outer corner of the shorter lengths to not weigh down the outer part of the eye. But the girl's native eyelashes are quite curly, so we decided to do the usual fox. We selected curl L, thickness 0.07, lengths from 6 to 12. Because of the fact that the eyelashes are curled, most likely visually curl L will look like M. And now let's get to work. As usual, the first step I glue patches, and then add a paper patch. I always work with a paper patch, as I am much more confident with it. From the paper patch the eyelash is easy to peel off, if suddenly it is glued, and from the patch the eyelash is peeled off with particles of the patch, and most likely you will have to re-glue the fan again. I don't see the point of wasting time on this, and that's why I always glue a patch. Also with the patch you can see the base of the lashes better, as the band is wider than the patch. Then I apply degreaser, and I will not apply any more compositions on the native eyelashes. Today, I wanted to tell you about the principles of working with L curl. First, do not be afraid to work with this curl, as well as with the curl M. Perhaps for some it will be a surprise, but I often hear from clients that some masters do not work on these curls. Some masters think there is a special technique in working on them. As it seems to me that with L and M curls even easier to work, because the base of the artificial eyelash straight and the fan is made very easily. If you have not yet done extensions in these curls, be sure to try. You will definitely like it. Secondly, do not make wide fans. The end of the eyelash in this curl is straight. If you make a wide fan, visually the eyelashes will look in different directions and it will feel like you have made fans cross on cross. It is allowed to make fans a little narrower than the usual round curls. In this curl is very important parallelism of artificial eyelashes. Thirdly, put the eyelash can be on any side, even from below, or from the side, or from above. The main thing to make the right direction, the way to put the eyelashes is not important, as with any curl. After making a fan, I put the eyelash in the row in which it grows. Pay attention to this point on the video. Already in the middle of the work you can see how the eyelashes lie. In L curls it is important, you must see the direction. If any lash will be knocked out, it should be re-glued. Well, on the last point I would like to add that the L curl looks great in the fox effect, although of course if the clients ask me, I can increase it and in the natural effect, and in the white, and in the doll effect. As usual, it all depends on the customer's desire. At the end of the work, do not forget about checking the eyelashes. Each master can have glue-ups. We must be sure to check all the eyelashes and remove the glues, if we found them. It will take no more than 5 minutes, and clients will be much more comfortable to walk without glues. By the way, one of the reasons for misdirection is glues. If you notice misdirection in your work, perhaps you should pay attention to checking the lashes. At the beginning of the video, I said that perhaps visually on this girl L curl will look like M. Write in the comments as you think that more like M or L. Ask your questions about the L curl, I'll be sure to answer them all. I hope this episode was helpful for you. Subscribe to the channel, give us a like, and see you soon.